After all, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 enters a more competitive market for the foldable phones, so there is a pressure on Samsung to deliver a compelling upgrade. With a slimmer design and a stronger integration of the Galaxy AI features, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 seems like a prime candidate to replace the Galaxy S24 Ultra as the best Samsung phone overall. Well, in this video, we will find out whether it's going to do so or not. Starting with one of the important factor of both the devices is the pricing. The launching price for the Galaxy S24 Ultra was $1,299 for the 256GB base model. It's one of the most expensive flagship you can buy, at least when it comes to one that doesn't fold. But if you want to talk about the expensive phone, then the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is most expensive foldable phone right now, which will cost you around $1,900, which is $100 pricier as compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. So definitely this means that pricing is going to be the major factor this time around in terms of the foldable devices when comparing with the S24 Ultra. Now moving forward towards the design and display, Samsung updated quite a bit when it comes to the S24 Ultra design. Switching from aluminum to a more durable titanium frame, it's also ditched the classic Galaxy S curved screen for a completely flat 6.8-inch one in an apparent move to make the included S Pen better on that massive display. On the other hand, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 did not receive many design changes, though it has got a tad shorter and wider and a bit thinner. The new foldable is 0.4 inch when folded and a 0.06 inches less than the Galaxy Z Fold 5. The S24 Ultra remained thinner at 0.33 inches. Additionally, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has slightly bigger exterior display at 6.3 inches compared to the last year Galaxy Z Fold 5 6.2 inches. The changes accommodate a slightly wider panel that makes the outer screen easier to type on. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 interior display remains 7.6-inch OLED display, giving you more screen real estate than the S24 Ultra's 6.8-inch panel. Even though the foldable continue to offer stylus support, Samsung has yet to make a foldable phone that include a slot for the S Pen. It does give the Galaxy S24 Ultra an edge since that phone does come with a built-in slot for included stylus. Moving forward towards the camera department, here we have some interesting thing. There was some controversy with the S24 Ultra as Samsung dumped the 10x optical zoom lens on the previous Ultras for one with the 5x optical zoom. However, Samsung upgraded the 10 megapixel sensor to a 50 megapixel one. Despite this little controversy, the S24 Ultra features formidable cameras. The main camera sensor is 200 megapixel with a 60% larger pixels than before, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, a 10 megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and of course the most important 50 megapixel upgraded telephoto sensors. The S24 Ultra is considered to be one of the best camera phones right now. By comparing with the Galaxy Z Fold 6, it kept the same camera sensor as the Z Fold 5, a 50 megapixel main camera sensor on outside with a 12 megapixel ultra wide and a 10 megapixel zoom lens. The 12 megapixel ultra wide sensor has seen an upgrade to improve low light performance. There is an external 10 megapixel selfie camera and an under display 4 megapixel camera sensor. Overall, it seems that the Galaxy S24 Ultra is still the Samsung phone to turn on when you want the best camera phone available. Now, when it comes to the performance, both the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 coming with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which is custom made for Galaxy devices. So definitely both the devices are going to be performing same. Both are going to be coming with a 12GB of RAM option, and both are going to be supported by 256, 512 and 1TB of storage capacity. So definitely performance wise, both are going to be absolutely same. Now moving towards an important feature, that is the battery life. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be having an edge over the Galaxy Z Fold 6 just because of the fact that it's coming with a 5000 mAh battery, while the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is going to be coming with a 4400 mAh battery capacity, which is low powered. And considering the Galaxy Z Fold 6 has a dual screen and the inner screen is going to be larger, so definitely it will consume more battery, even having the more efficient Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. So this means the Galaxy S24 Ultra is going to be the winner when it comes to the battery life. So in terms of the charging speed, both the devices will be supporting 45 watt of fast charging. Now software-wise, the Galaxy S24 lineup, including the Ultra, introduced the use of Galaxy AI features. These capabilities are also been included to the recent Galaxy Z Fold 5 thanks to the new One UI 6.1 update. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 enjoys the full suite of the Galaxy AI features at the launch while also adding some new capabilities. That includes new exclusive sketch-to-image tool that turns the doodles into realistic objects and portrait studios which can convert selfies into a number of different art styles. Both Samsung phones enjoy the same level of software support, with Samsung promising 7 years of software and security update for the S24 Ultra as well as the Z Fold 6. Now, at the end, what are my final thoughts? With the S24 Ultra costing less than $600, price is a big consideration. If you favor the cameras as your top smartphone feature, the Galaxy S24 Ultra sound like the better choice, given the lack of changes to the Galaxy Z Fold 6 camera. And while the AI capabilities of the Samsung Foldable sound impressive, don't feel you have to get the Galaxy Z Fold 6 to experience the new Galaxy AI feature, as Samsung has been pretty generous in bringing those capabilities to the other phones. So at the end of the day, if camera is going to be your most priority, then Galaxy S24 Ultra is the best choice. But if you want a uniqueness, then foldable device is going to be the best option for you. And you guys, this is my opinion. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.